Ready to unlock a game-changing secret for your muscle-building journey? It's not just about protein shakes or heavy lifting. It's about fruits. Yes, fruits. Surprised? Let's dive into the top muscle-building fruits that will take your gains to the next level. First up, bananas. Bananas are packed with potassium, helping muscles function properly. They're great for preventing cramps and boosting energy. The natural sugars give an instant energy boost, and the fiber keeps you fueled throughout your workout. Don't skip this powerhouse before hitting the gym. Next, guava. Guava is loaded with vitamin C, which helps repair muscles and produce collagen. It also has fiber, aiding digestion and ensuring your body absorbs nutrients for recovery. Add guava to your post-workout routine for a tasty recovery boost. Let's talk about pomegranates. Pomegranates are packed with antioxidants, which fight muscle inflammation and speed up recovery. Enjoy these jewel-like seeds as a snack, mix them into yogurt, or blend them into your post-workout shake. Now, papaya. Papaya is a protein-breaking powerhouse. With the enzyme papain, it aids digestion and reduces muscle soreness. Enjoy it fresh, in smoothies, or salsa for a sweet and spicy recovery snack. How about passion fruit? This exotic fruit is high in fiber and antioxidants, perfect for reducing inflammation and supporting muscle repair. The vitamin C helps you recover stronger. Scoop out the pulp and add it to your yogurt, smoothie, or fruit salad for a nutrient-packed treat. Don't forget about avocados. These creamy fruits are packed with healthy fats that fuel muscle growth. Rich in potassium, they support muscle function. Enjoy them on toast, in smoothies, or as guacamole to keep your muscles fueled and recovery on track. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, nature's candy. These fruits are loaded with antioxidants, fighting inflammation and aiding muscle recovery. Low in calories and high in nutrients, they're perfect for building muscle and reducing soreness. Toss them in smoothies or enjoy them as a snack. Pineapple is next. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that breaks down proteins and reduces inflammation, perfect for post-workout recovery. It's also rich in vitamin C, boosting your immune system. And last but not least, citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits packed with vitamin C. These fruits boost your immune system and keep you hydrated during intense workouts. They're a great snack to replenish your body and stay energized. These fruits aren't just tasty, they're packed with nutrients that help you recover faster and build stronger muscles. Imagine enjoying a vibrant bowl of mixed fruits, each bite helping you perform better. Remember, it's not just about lifting weights, it's about lifting your nutrition game. By adding these fruits, you're fueling your muscles and supporting your body's recovery. Which fruit will you add to your post-workout routine?